How you doing? I just wanted to take a minute to tell you about 3 essential tools that I would consider for any garage or shop if you're looking to do any metal work, fabricating, whatever. First one is a 4.5 inch grinder. This is a Metabo brand, made in Germany. It's not a cheap grinder by any means. It's well over $100. But the thing about it is, I've had it for many years, and I've done a lot of grinding and cutting, and it won't die. I've had DeWalt's, they die, you know, things like that. So you definitely don't want to go cheap on that. You can cut every stick of material you get. If you want to build a rotisserie or trailer or whatever you want to do, you can basically cut everything you need to with these kind of blades here. This is just a 6-inch cutoff wheel, real thin, real handy, and of course you can use the 4.5 inch by quarter inch thick standard grinding wheel. For drilling, I'm a fan of DeWalt. I have just 18-volt cordless drills. The drills themselves are great. The only downfall with a cordless is obviously over the years I've had my drills for 5 or 6 years. The batteries do start to die out after a while, and they are kind of expensive, so you may want to consider a corded drill. Milwaukee or DeWalt is what I would stick with. Those are good metalworking tools. You know, for wood you can use anything, Black & Decker, whatever, you know, but not for steel. It'll just wear out too fast. So between those two, and I'll show you the welder here in a second. I'm going to have to get the video camera off the tripod. This is a cute little welder. It looks like right now that it's a 110, as in you could plug it into any standard outlet, but it's a size bigger than that. It's the same size, however, and basically the same weight. This one goes up to 175 amps, and it's rated for 1/4 inch thick material, but if you know how to weld, you know what you're doing. I see no problem with welding 3/8 on this thing. It can handle it. So I like the size. It's cheap. I mean, considering you can pick one of these up for, of course, this one here is about four years old, but I believe it was around $800, something like that, which is pretty affordable for a welder. You know, and it was brand new, of course. And there's the mixed gas that I use, 75-25, 75% argon, 25% CO2. Ends up being a real nice clean weld with this. So, and I just use regular 035 standard hardwire. So with this and the grinder and the drill, anything else is just a luxury.